Hey friends, to do transparent background exporting, you have many options in Affinity Designer. Go to Document Setup, you will see Transparent Background. One thing to remember, only say on when you want to make PNG format, otherwise everything you do in exporting will be transparent background. Set it to off if you don't want to export with a transparent background. Thank you for watching. If you found it useful, please reward me with a like and subscribe. Thank you. We promise to see you in the next video.